In this video, I'll show you how to sell a digital product on Whop. Start by signing into your Whop account and create a new Whop if you haven't already. Next, enter your product or brand name, choose the appropriate category, and complete the basic setup. After that, click Add App and select the app that best fits your digital product. For example, you can choose digital downloads for downloadable files, courses for online lessons, or another app that matches your product. Now upload your digital product, such as a PDF, zip file, ebook, template, software, or other downloadable content. Next, add a product title, description, thumbnail, and any additional details your customers should know before purchasing. After that, click Pricing and create your offer. Choose whether you want to charge a one-time payment or a recurring subscription, then enter your price. Now review your checkout settings and make sure customers will automatically receive access to the digital product after payment. Next, click Publish to make your product available for sale. After that, test your checkout page to verify that the purchase process and product delivery work correctly. Finally, copy your Whop store link and share it with your audience so customers can purchase and instantly access your digital product. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell a digital product on Whop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.